Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a new video. Today I am going to be doing my hair, just a talk through. I get a lot of questions all the time as far as how I achieve certain styles, so I figure why not turn on the camera, be in the mirror, show you dolls what it is I actually do. So if you want to do your hair with me, stay tuned. Gonna jump right in it. I made a wig. I don't know, a lot of you should already know I do have a hairline. It is XOCRISSY and I do sell virgin authentic hair as well as raw Indian hair, and I decided to go ahead and make myself a wig using my beautiful bundles. Now I am natural, okay? So my hair, I typically wear braided under weaves. So I have two different hairlines with my company. The first hairline is again authentic, premium, straight from the temple, Indian raw hair. Now with the Champagne Dreams virgin hair, the hair is completely authentic as well. However, there is steam processing done to it. So no chemicals, okay? No chemicals on my hair whatsoever. But to get the different patterns and different textures, like the body wave looks like an S, or to get the curly hair like what I'm about to put on my head, that have to be done with several days of hot water and steam to secure those patterns. I decided to go with a pattern, like the texture, that's called Burmese curly. And I've already sectioned off the top part. This is the top part of my hair that I'm gonna leave out. I know when people do U-part wigs, sometimes you like to leave less out or a little bit more, but I'm going to do a whole lot more than usual because I have really fine hair. Champagne Dreams hair. Now this hair is really versatile because it comes curly and wavy, but you can blow it out and straighten it silky straight, or if you want, get it wet again and have your curls popping. So for me, when I wet my hair, this is the texture that it most looks like. I love that you can wear this hair without any product in it. It's super soft, super flowy, and without any products, it looks just like my actual hair. And then when I put products in it, it gets super duper curly and defined and looks really pretty. If you want to see me make a U-part wig, let me know. But this particular one I'm doing, so it's really natural looking. This particular one is only 2 bundles of hair, y'all. So it's really full looking, but it's not overly dense. The key to having a natural hairstyle is to not have it be overly dense. Kind of cheated. I used one that was already designed to be a U-part wig. The reason I did that is because it comes with clips that I can sew on here if I want to, but then also it has like the little hooks down here, so it's adjustable straps that can make it tighter for me if I want. But I like that it was already pre-cut, okay? So I just put it on my mannequin head and then I just sewed it on, normal stitching. But yeah, y'all, this is my hair. Oh, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to get this on my head, okay? Started, as you can see, I am braiding my hair. So I left the top part out and I'm braiding a little bit of braiding hair in because my hair is soft, plus it's my edges I'm concerned about. I like to have a little bit of fake hair to give a good strong anchor, and I'm just going to work this braid back. All right, y'all can see this is not the prettiest braid, but it's secure, it's in there. I'm gonna braid this back in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side next. And that's exactly what I do. So I'm going ahead and braiding the rest of this perimeter braid. When you're doing this, you're wearing a wig, so it really doesn't have to be neat. The parts do not have to be straight. It just has to be secure because you will be braiding, you will be sewing where you see this braid. So basically for this braid pattern, I did 1 braid around the perimeter, and then I went ahead and did big chunky braids along the back. Then what I ended up doing was taking a sewing needle and thread and went ahead and sewed my hair up. I already braided my hair up. left a little bit of hair out. Y'all, I really suck at braiding my own hair, okay? So do not come for me in my braids, okay? So yeah, this is the fun part. This is where you really transform. I love U-part wigs because they look very natural when you have hair that matches your texture. Again, I am natural, been natural for years. This is my Champagne Dreams Burmese curly hair, only 2 bundles, absolutely love it. This is in 24 inches and all I'm doing is using some nylon thread and a sewing needle, and I'm just literally sewing this wig down on the perimeter braid that I did. So basically, I'm just gonna show you dolls what that looks like. I just wanted to have something that I can share my love of beauty and confidence, because I don't know about y'all, but whenever I get my hair done, whenever I have my makeup done, my lashes on, I feel good. And whenever I feel good, because I look good, I feel unstoppable. So you about to get all these hair flips when I'm done. And now we are to the side. Basically, I went all the way around and now I'm just sewing down the last side as well as circling around to the back of my head. And this is perfect. This is so easy for a first time person trying this yourself. You can't really mess it up. Let me know if you want to know how I made my wig. I do not mind sharing that video with you. But yeah, this hair is beautiful and I am so happy. Okay, so that is it. This is the end result. Again, this is only 2 bundles of my Champagne Dreams hair. It's the Burmese curly. I adore it because I can wear it in so many different ways. This is with some eco styling gel, some coconut oil, and some water. I can let it air dry completely and it'll be like bigger if I comb it out. I can straighten it, you know, blow dry it first and then straighten it with the flat iron so it's silky straight. And then when I'm over that style, I can just wet it again. Okay, so this is my vacation hair. Didn't want braids because I wanted to be a little extra as I am. And yeah, it's hair that I can get wet and not really care. It does match my natural hair. I have my natural hair out a little bit on the top like I showed you to begin with. That way I can put my hair up like in a cheerleader ponytail or whatever. Let me show another style. I like doing a pineapple on my hair, so I think that would look cute too. Like if we go out or something, I'm gonna be doing a pineapple. So yeah, I think that would be cute, especially when this is all curled. And yeah, I love that it's so big and carefree and I ain't gonna have to mess with it too much. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. Be sure to check out my webpage, XOCRISSYHAIR. If you want to know where I got this hair from, that's where it's from. And then also, I will put the links down below in the box. I'll put a special coupon code from my YouTube family. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. My name is @Crissy the doll. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, stop what you're doing. Go ahead and do that, as well as my fitness and my vlog channel. And that's really it. I want to say thank you, dolls, so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.